It is, let me put this on autofocus. It is 1:14, so I'm starting today's vlog a little bit late, even though like I started recording with a little candle lighting and stuff like that, but technically I'm just now getting a break to have some FaceTime. It's just been busy. This week is busy. But wow, I can't believe Vlogmas Day 22. If you're new here, my name is Tahita. I am a compliance analyst as well as a content creator here on YouTube and Instagram. If you like what you see, go ahead and join the family by hitting that subscribe button. But yeah, if you are new, welcome. If you are an OG, thank you for holding me down. I appreciate you. Work has been nuts. I've been saying this for like the last 3 weeks maybe. Work has been kicking my butt. Work has been challenging. Just a lot of change in routine, change in how we do things, training on changes that I haven't even become accustomed to. So it's been challenging. And then on top of that, I have my regular client work. So yeah, I don't have much planned for today, but I do think that I might have to step out and do last minute Christmas shopping. I don't want to, but I ordered what I thought was a certain brand. And you know how a lot of these, I don't feel like I hear stuff. Anyways, as I was saying, you know how a lot of these companies try to knock off certain brands, and so they'll put like a similar logo or they'll make their branding look the same. And I thought I was getting one brand and I got something that wasn't what I was looking for. So I'm gonna try to basically replace what I received. I mean, if push comes to shove, I'll just give a gift card. But oh, and on top of that, I gotta go to the ATM and I gotta get a Christmas card to put like a little extra bonus for my cleaning lady because she comes in tomorrow. What else do I need to do? I should make a list. But yeah, that's really all that I have going on. I have tons of work. I have a call in like 15 minutes. I haven't even created the agenda for this call, so let me do that. Let me create this agenda. I don't even know why we're having this call, honestly. I'd rather just have my time back, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Yeah, let me get through work and then I will check in with you guys once I decide what I'm doing. Yes, happy holidays to you and yours. I hope you enjoy it. Enjoy your time off. Try not to think about any work.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break. Better way. Oh, I've been working all day.
Hey y'all, so coming in from a very weird angle, but we gonna do this. I feel weird, I'm not gonna lie, because I hadn't eaten all day. All I had literally was like coffee, and I ended up making a sandwich, like a sub sandwich, later on in the day, let's say like after 5. And I ate 75% of it, and I ate it really quick, and I feel like that's what has me feeling kind of sick. But nonetheless, I want to make some rumpopo. After I make this, I'm probably definitely going to retire, thankfully. That sounded weird. I'm definitely going to retire for the night. Thankfully, I already edited today's vlog. It's just to publish it. And create a thumbnail, I think, but that should be easy enough. But yeah, right now I'm gonna make the rumpopo, so I just wanted to share the ingredients with you guys. So I'm starting out with eggs. I am only using 3. That's why I got this half dozen. I usually get organic eggs, but they didn't have half dozen in organic, and like I said, I'm only using 3. I will be using 2 cans of condensed milk. Oh, it would help if I actually showed the label, huh? But yeah, I'm using 2 cans of condensed milk. Actually, I'm using a can and a half. The recipe calls for a can and a half. And then I'm going to use 3 cans of evaporated milk. I'm making a very small batch because I'm the main person that drinks it, and I don't want to be left over with too much, because then I'm gonna be forced to drink it, and then I'm gonna get bigger than I already am, and we trying to lose weight. So yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and crack my eggs. Like I said, I'm using 3 Belizeans, and most Caribbean people actually, they remove what we call the eye off of the egg. It's just the little white membranes. But for some reason we call it the eye. I ended up looking it up one day, and it is not the eye at all. That's not what that is. But you know, keeping with traditions, I'm just doing what I was taught to do as a child, and we fuck. We remove the eye. Okay, we're gonna get this done. We're gonna get her done. Okay guys, so I've added my condensed milk. I added 1.5 cans. That's what the recipe required. I was gonna start mixing, but I'm gonna go ahead and add my nutmeg, my cinnamon, my vanilla. Now, honestly, I think I mentioned in a previous vlog, I just be doing my own thing. They be having like suggested, you know, suggested measurements, and I just be doing my own thing. I just be doing my own thing. And now for some ground cinnamon. Okay, now for rum. Luckily, for once, I have some Belizean rum, but I am gonna go ahead and mix it with some Jamaican rum. Can you believe this recipe called for a tablespoon of rum per cup or per serving? Where they do that at? So I'm gonna go ahead and pour till my heart tells me to stop. So that was Belizean Caribbean White, by the way, and now this is just some Ray and Nephew. And now we're gonna go back to blending. Okay, y'all, quick taste test.